Ever have one of these cleaning nightmares? A huge spill that looks impossible to clean up? Well, I used to dread this until I got my new secret weapon. What if I told you this mess is gone in seconds? Watch this. The suction is so powerful it doesn't just clean, it annihilates the mess. How amazing is that? And it's not just for big spills. It glides over every surface, and cleanup is an absolute breeze. What's your biggest cleaning challenge at home? Seriously, this has been a total game changer for my home. If you want to make cleaning effortless, you need to check this out.